And the pill bottle wins. We're on to you, Miss Valdez. The white cylinder actually was a really nice water bottle, full of a mysterious red substance that smelled like puke. And tons of garbage was coming out of Roz Resort. I'm gonna shut up and let you guys reflect on how much comes out of just this one spot. Alright, so we did it. Here's Roz Island after. Not a 2319 in sight. You did great today, Carly. Not a bad load for day 3. And I will be back for you, Couch. As I was unloading to the riverbank, this awesome dude and his dog stopped by and expressed gratitude, and were super open with sharing how my actions positively impacted and inspired him, which isn't always easy for dudes to do, especially to a complete stranger, and that inspired me. Day 3's in the books. Stay tuned for day 4.